Hey everybody, Felix Staffelbaker here. I wanted to make a video opening up these 2021 Garbage Pail Kids Series 1 Food Fight cards that have a chance for a redeemable NFT pack on them. I went ahead and opened up the packs of cellophane, and you can see on here that. And then you can see there's little tops on the actual wrapping themselves. So that's pretty cool. Let's start with this one. So you open this up and there's a little pack here, and then there are, it looks like 10 packs. So let's go ahead and take all these packs out, and then there's just a piece of styrofoam at the bottom. Oh, and on the back of these they actually say that this is only going on for roughly 2 years. Once this started, before the NFTs codes will actually expire in these. So if you were planning to buy some of these tins and hold them for a decade or so, that may not be the wisest idea, because these do have an expiration date on them. So again, we have a little pack, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packers. So, and the same thing with the styrofoam in there. I'm just going to set these tins aside, give us more room. And then got this one. That one's pretty cool. And we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Alright. And we're just gonna bust right into these. Let's open these first. Alright. See that? Impossible. Fillet, fillet, and food haul. So it looks like there's only 3 cards in these little packs. Raw Ramsey. Right. So these are these, it looks like Celebrity Chef. Then, yeah, Celebrity Chef. Guy Fieri. Alright. And go to the next pack. Alright. Got another D-Bone Baby. Another guy. Cool. Alright, let's bust into these packs. Right. Ooh, nice. Cool. Just gonna keep going through these cards, no special rhyme or reason, just gonna bust through them. See that glare. Oh, nice! This one has the QR code on it, so we've already got a NFT pack from this this pack. That's awesome. Oh wow. One's pretty cool. Alright. I'm gonna bust through the next pack. And that was in just one, so 110 we already got a NFT pack. Second pack opening. So that's pretty cool. A lot of cards with these borders around it. I'll have to actually look up and see. That's pretty cool. These are pretty interesting to see them in person versus how we normally watch people open them online. I'm just putting them all in the similar piles. We're busting through these packs. Right. I know I'm maybe showing them a couple of times on a couple of the cards, but that's okay. We're just getting through them. Alright. I'll have to work on a better method to open these packs. But I'm just kind of going through and showing you. Alright. Wonder if we can get 2 NFTs from the same pack. We still got a few more cards. So I was able to finally get these at my Walmart. I've been going there every day since this started and was finally able to see that they had some in stock and pick them up. Alright. Right. Nice. All right. I think I'm going to stop the video after these 2 packs and restart the video. It's already getting kind of long. Another one with a border. One's pretty cool. Alright. Last pack here. See what we got. Cool, another border card. Alright, so we ended up, out of that entire 10 packs, we ended up getting 1 Adam Appetite to redeem for a NFT. And then you'll peel that little sticker off and it'll give you your code. So I'm gonna put that out there. Stoffel Baker out.